What if that old furniture you're about to toss is actually your next show-stopping decor piece? Welcome back, creative friends. Today, we're unlocking the hidden potential in the things most people overlook. Those scratched tables, dated dressers, and curbside chairs. For us DIY dreamers, they're blank canvases. I'm revealing 5 upcycling secrets the pros use to transform any piece, no fancy tools or years of experience required. These aren't your basic just paint it white tips. We're talking game-changing techniques that make old furniture look designer. Whether you're on a budget, personalizing a rental, or just want something unique, these tricks will save you money, reduce waste, and help you create custom high-end pieces. Ready to see old furniture in a whole new way? Let's dive in. Here's a secret that will completely change the way you approach old furniture. Change the purpose, not just the look. It's not just about slapping on a new coat of paint or swapping out the handles. It's about seeing beyond what's in front of you and imagining what it could become. Don't just see a dresser, see a future TV console, a chic sideboard, or even a storage bench for your entryway. That old door? Imagine it as a rustic dining table, a statement headboard, or a one-of-a-kind desk. Ignore the label. Analyze the structure. Is it sturdy? Does it have a flat top, cool legs, or a unique shape? The real magic is in the bones of the piece, not its original function. Look for hidden strengths, not flaws. Sometimes, the best features are the ones you uncover after a closer look. Remove limiting features, take out drawers, ditch old hardware, strip it back to basics. Don't be afraid to get a little messy in the process. Now, rebuild with intention. Add shelves, attach new legs, or reconfigure the layout. This is your chance to make the piece work for your space and your needs. For example, turn a tall bookcase on its side, add legs, and you've got a chic console. Or stack 2 small tables to create a unique shelving unit. Think like a furniture architect. Consider form, function, and flow. Sketch out ideas, play with arrangements, and don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to deconstruct. The worst outcome? You learn something new. The best? You create a custom piece that fits your life perfectly and tells your story. An armoire can become a home bar, a craft station, or even a mini office nook. A headboard can become a coat rack, a bench back, or a decorative wall shelf. Always ask yourself, what else could this be? Let your imagination run wild and don't settle for the obvious. Break it down, analyze the bones, and dream up a new future. Sometimes, the most unexpected ideas turn out to be the best. This is what separates a simple paint job from a true transformation. It's about reimagining, not just refreshing. You don't need to be a master carpenter, just have vision, a willingness to try, and a few basic tools. The rest you can learn as you go. Start small, experiment, and you'll get hooked on reimagining furniture. Each project builds your confidence and creativity. Next time you see an old piece, don't see trash. See endless possibilities. Every discarded item is a blank canvas waiting for your touch. The only limit is your creativity. The more you practice, the more ideas you'll have. Be bold, be curious, and let your imagination lead. There are no rules, just opportunities to create something new. That's how you turn forgotten furniture into functional art. Pieces that are as unique as you are. Ready for more inspiration? Let's move to the next secret. Secret 2. Layered finishing. This is the technique that truly transforms ordinary furniture into something extraordinary, giving it that coveted designer look. This is how you make a piece look expensive, not just painted. Layering adds dimension, character, and a sense of craftsmanship that you simply can't get from a single coat. Most DIYs stop at one coat of paint. Don't. High-end pieces have depth and texture. The secret is in building up layers, letting each one add its own story to the piece. Here's the formula. Prep, base color, texture, highlight or distress, top coat. Each step is essential for that rich, professional finish. Clean thoroughly, scuff sand, and always prime for a flawless foundation. Skipping prep means your finish won't last or look as smooth. For the base, use 2 similar shades for subtle contrast, like a neutral white body and creamy white drawers. This creates a gentle shift in color that feels custom and intentional. Add texture. Try dry brushing a contrasting color, dabbing with a sea sponge, or using a salt wash for a weathered look. These techniques add tactile interest and visual movement. Want more drama? Use crackle medium for an authentically aged finish. The cracks and lines mimic years of natural wear, instantly elevating the piece. Highlight details with a lighter color on edges and carvings. Think of it as contouring for furniture. This step brings out the shape and craftsmanship of your piece, or distress by sanding edges and high points for a lived-in feel. A little distressing goes a long way to add authenticity and charm. Less is more. Don't overdo it. The goal is to create interest, not overwhelm the eye. Subtlety is what makes designer finishes stand out. Protect your work with a matte or satin top coat, 2 or 3 thin layers. This not only seals in your artistry, but also gives a soft, touchable sheen. Think like an artist. Build up color, shadow, and light for depth. Each layer should add something new, whether it's warmth, coolness, or a hint of metallic shimmer. Your furniture is your canvas. Layer for emotion and richness. Let your creativity guide you, and don't be afraid to experiment with new techniques. Don't settle for a flat one-color finish. Embrace the layers. The difference is night and day. Layering brings your vision to life. Experiment on scrap wood to build confidence. Try out color combinations, textures, and finishes before committing to your main piece. The more you play, the more your pieces will look designer, not DIY. Each project is a chance to refine your style and technique. Step away from the single can of paint. Embrace variety. Mixing colors and finishes is what sets your work apart. Layering is the secret to a high-end look. It's the difference between something that looks homemade and something that looks like it came from a boutique. Try it once, and you'll never go back. The satisfaction of creating a truly unique, designer-quality piece is unbeatable. Ready for the next upgrade? Let's talk hardware. Secret 3. Hardware is the jewelry of furniture. It's the fastest, most impactful upgrade you can make. Outdated pulls and knobs instantly date a piece, swap them, and you transform the style. Remove old hardware. Don't let existing holes limit you. Fill them with wood filler, sand smooth, and you've got a blank slate. Now choose your new jewelry. Matte black for modern, brass for glam, ceramic for boho. Mix and match for personality. Invest in quality hardware. It makes even thrift finds look luxe. Use a hardware jig for perfect placement. No crooked lines. Don't forget hinges and legs. New legs can lift and modernize a heavy dated piece. Hardware isn't an afterthought, it's a statement. The right knobs, pulls, and legs communicate style and intention. This small change delivers a massive payoff. Promise me, never overlook the hardware again. It's the finishing touch that makes your upcycle shine. Next, let's add some architectural drama. Secret 4. Add architectural details to banish boring, boxy furniture. Flat surfaces are your canvas. Break them up with trim, molding, or panels. Sketch simple geometric patterns or frames on drawer fronts or cabinet sides. Use lightweight trim, decorative appliques, or fluted paneling, easy to find and work with. Cut with a miter box for clean corners, attach with wood glue, and hold with painter's tape. Fill seams with paintable caulk for a seamless built-in look. Prime and paint everything in one color to unify the piece. The result? Shadows, highlights, and dimension that scream custom carpentry. Try vertical trim for a shaker look, curved appliques for vintage charm, or fluted panels for a trendy texture. This is how you fake expensive carpentry. Add depth where there was none. Don't be intimidated. Start with a simple rectangle and build confidence. The payoff is huge. You're not just painting, you're building character. People will ask, where did you buy that? Next time you see a plain piece, imagine the details you could add. This is how you turn ordinary into extraordinary. Ready for the final secret? Let's mix it up. Secret 5. Mixing materials is the ultimate way to achieve a high-end designer finish in your home. It's a trick that top interior designers use to make spaces feel curated, layered, and truly unique. Luxury design is all about combining textures and finishes. Think warm wood, cool metal, soft fabric, natural cane, or even sleek stone. Each material brings its own character, and when you blend them thoughtfully, the result is a space that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Start with your dominant material. Most often, that's wood for furniture. Then layer in a contrasting accent. This could be as simple as adding a metal handle or as bold as swapping out a panel for something unexpected. Try wood and cane webbing. Just cut out a panel, insert cane, and you've got instant boho chic style. The natural texture of cane adds warmth and a handcrafted vibe that's hard to beat. Or, pair wood with metal, add brass corners, a metal top, or even metallic paint for a glam touch. Metals like brass, copper, or matte black can instantly elevate a piece and make it feel custom. Fabric is another game changer. Wrap drawer fronts in linen for a soft, tactile feel, or add a bold print to the back of a bookcase for a pop of personality. Don't be afraid to play with color and pattern here. Even peel and stick marble tiles can transform a plain tabletop into something luxe and durable. Stone finishes, whether real or faux, add a sense of permanence and luxury. The key is balance. Choose one main material, then add one or two accents. Too many, and it can feel chaotic. Just enough, and it feels intentional and high-end. For example, try a painted wood frame with cane or fabric drawers, or a classic wood piece topped with stone or marble. These combinations look like they came straight from a designer showroom. Think of your furniture as a multimedia art project. Each material is a brushstroke that adds depth and interest. Next time you're in a hardware store, let your imagination run wild. Picture leather pulls, metal grates, stone tiles, or even unexpected finds like rope or acrylic. The possibilities are endless. Mixing materials adds layers of interest and tells a richer story. It's about creating a piece that feels collected over time, not just bought off the shelf. This is what designers do to create that collected look you see in magazines and luxury homes. You can do it too. Just be intentional with your combinations, and don't be afraid to experiment until it feels right. With mixed materials, your upcycle becomes a true statement piece, something that stands out and sparks conversation. It's the ultimate pro move for turning trash into treasure, and for making your home feel truly one of a kind. So, start seeing furniture differently. Every piece is a canvas, and with the right mix of materials, you can create something extraordinary. There you have it, 5 secrets to upcycle any furniture, no matter how old or forgotten. Change its purpose, layer your finishes, upgrade the hardware, add architectural details, and mix materials for a high-end look. Next time you see a thrift find or curbside cast-off, ask, what could this become? You have the tools and vision to create something special. If you're inspired, like and subscribe for more creative ideas. Share your favorite trick in the comments. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, keep transforming the ordinary into extraordinary.